Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we will look at how to open a Douyin account in 2023. Douyin has changed a lot recently. So at this moment, it is not possible to open a new Douyin account using an Android phone that you can skip the ID check. Not that I know of. I've wasted a lot of phone number just to test it out. So at this moment in 2023, the only way I can figure out to open a Douyin account is using a iPhone or iPad. Basically, it's a iOS. So you'll need to download the Douyin app and create a new account from there. Once you have the account, then you can use a Android phone to log into the Douyin account. But if you want to create a new account, then the only way is using an iOS. And then we can set a password and use an Android phone to log in later. To download Douyin on an iOS, you need to change your app store of your iOS to China App Store, and then you download the Douyin app. After you have downloaded the Douyin app, you can change back the store to your country. If you need help on this part, I will do another video on that. Or there's a lot of tutorial on the market now on how to download Douyin app to your iPhone or iPad. So there's a couple of things that you should do and not do. So make sure you are using a phone number matching the IP address. It is okay to use a VPN. And make sure the phone number you are using can accept call and SMS, because sometimes they will send you a SMS and sometimes they'll call you for the OTP. So don't use a Singapore phone number with a Malaysia IP address, or don't use a Hong Kong number and use a USA IP address. So just make sure that the country of the phone number that you're using match the IP address. Keep this phone number, because if you lost access to the phone number, somebody can log in with the phone number and the OTP. And if you ever need to change your phone number later, you can always update in the Douyin account before you change your phone number. So the method to log in to Douyin is you can log in with phone number and OTP. So which is why it is important to keep the number. Otherwise, the next person that take over this phone number can just log into your Douyin account. And the other way is that you can log in with mobile number and password. And this we will set up after we have created the account. This is of course optional. We'll get to that after we set up the account, because sometimes we don't have the SIM card on the same device. That's why we may need a phone number and password to log in. But that is always optional. So with that, let's go. So the video that I posted 6 months ago on how to open a Douyin account, in this video I'm using an Android phone and we can actually skip the ID check. But from a lot of comments from the subscriber, it is not possible, and I have wasted a few number to test it, and I can confirm that using an Android phone today, you can't skip the ID check. So the only way that we can open a new Douyin account is to use a iPhone or iPad. So basically, I've burned a lot of phone number just to test this out. So if you have successfully opened a Douyin account following my video, please subscribe and like this video and comment in my video. So right now I'm using iPad. So I've already downloaded the Douyin app on my iPad from a China App Store. So we will start the Douyin app. So once we start the Douyin app, they will ask for a lot of permission. So we will just click on the agree. and everything we should agree to make sure that it is smooth. Okay, so right now I'm on the Douyin app and we are going to click on this one. This one is basically referring to the my profile, and over here we must always check this box, and we have to change the country code of this one to your own country. So just search for your country code. Once you have entered your phone number, make sure it's correct and prepare your phone to accept the call or SMS. You only have 60 seconds and you should not try it for more than 2-3 times, because after that your phone number will be blocked for a few days or a few weeks. So let me get my phone ready for this step. So once you're ready, then click on this red button to log in. And we have to solve the puzzle. So if we do not get it correct, then we have to solve it again. So with that, I'll be able to log in, and from here, we'll just skip the process. This is the skip button over here. Now with that, I have successfully created my Douyin account on the iOS. Now if we click on the Douyin app, they'll ask you for a name. So you can type any name that you want. And then this is the next step. Of course, you can always change the name later. And you can always add your profile picture, or you can change it later. So I'll just choose to take a photo. So I'll just be using this photo, and we can always change the photo. That's not an issue. And then just click on this cross over here. Now what we want to do is actually to change a password for our Douyin account, so we can log in with the password. And for that, you are going to click on the top right button, and then we will go to this over here. This is referring to setting. On the setting, we are going to click on this one, the first one, and then we'll go to here. This is basically the Douyin password. So currently it say that it is not set, so I'm going to set a password for this. So once you have set a password, just click on this red button over here, and they'll send you another OTP. So now I have successfully created a Douyin account using the iPad. That's basically how you create an account in 2023. You need to use a iPad to create an account. Okay, I think I spelled the name wrongly, but I can always change that later. So if this worked for you, please like and subscribe. Now the next thing I wanted to test was, can I log into my Android phone with the new account that I created? You might still need to have one more SMS. Basically just allow everything for now and just click on the agree, and we want to allow everything. So right now over here they'll ask for your login again. I'm going to click this one here, basically to log in with a password. We have to click on this agreement over here, and then I will change this to log in with the password that I created, and then we have to find the mobile phone, the country code again. So once you have keyed in your mobile phone and password, just click on this agree button and click to log in. You may receive another SMS.
Your verification code is 4317. Your verification code is 4317. Your verification code is 4317.
And then we click on the cross button, and then we'll click on here to skip. And so there we have it. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial that I created today on how to open a Douyin account in 2023. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.